going to show you this bundle of the first anniversary goods that they sold in Cat Theater Tokyo, and I bought it from Mercury, and here it is. Dang dang! It contains a wrap paper. This is actually a very beautiful wrap paper. 3 sets of stickers. This one is lapis, onyx, and jade. Yay! You can see, so cute. There is also a very good photo book, and also 4 pieces of posters. This one is the group poster. There are also 3 pieces of subgroup posters like lapis, jade, and onyx. And let's start with the photo book. The photo book actually consists of a lot of memories of Apeace from their first day in Japan in 2011 till 1 year's anniversary in 2012. See, this one is Jinu, this one is Yongu, this one is Wonshik. Actually, it is kind of like this, so you can pull out the book. This one is Youngwon. This one is Byunghoon. This one is Minjinong. This one is Myungwon. This one is Songhyo. This one is Hyunsung. This one is Changwoo. As you can see, there is also an English translation of each message that members wrote in the book. There is Dongho, Wanshu, Songhyung. Here is Taewoo. This one is really cute. Hoyoung, Songhwan. This one Dohwan, Sungho. There is also Sehyeon, Goni. Wow, so cute. This one is Jaewon. And that's all. If you flip back, there are other versions that you see previously. This one is also Jaewon. Wait a minute. This one is Jaewon. This one is Goni. This one is Sehyeon. This one is Sungho. There is Dohwan again. Songhwan. Soyoung. Taewoo. This one is Songhyung. And Wanshu. This one is Dongho. Then Changwoo. Hyunsung. Songhyo. Then Myungwon. Minjinong. Byunghoon. Youngwon. This is Wonshik. This one is Yongu. Jinu. Then that's all. There are a lot of memories here, like this. Actually, this was taken in 2011. Like, we have other versions of the picture, so this one is like the 3rd version. This one also, this is from the official blog of Apeace in the past. There is also the photograph of Loverboy making. This is from Yongu page. This is Kim Wonshik. Wonshik just joined Apeace for about 6 months in 2012 in the first anniversary. So he only have few pictures, but actually this one is so good. See? There's young one. This one is so cute. And Byung-hun. I really like the message that Byung-hun wrote, and I will edit it better in the on the end of the video. Let's see the poster. The poster. This is one of the good posters. Yay! Because Apeace means Peace of Asia, so their group posters is like this. Because the bird means peace. And the subgroup posters. Oh, this one. This one is baby. Actually, I'm not really fluent in English, so I don't know how to spell it. Jadi, right? And this one is the onyx. Wow. Yay, this is onyx. That's all for the bundle. Let me know if you need the proper detail of this bundle, and I will share it to you.